I shared about SafeMoon and that coin gave you around 60x in hardly 4 weeks. Here you can check out the entire chart of the SafeMoon. And now, as you all know, it's the time for BSC scan coins. Secondly, blockchain is entirely fast and low cost. That's enhancing it more. In this video, I will share a coin with all of you that will easily give you at least 100x in coming weeks. So if you want to know more, stay tuned with us.
Feel uninvited.
BAFE token is a community driven plan. The best part of this token that the liquidity is locked for 5 years. Right now the price of this token is entirely low, and also I will tell you that how you can purchase the token directly from the PancakeSwap. And the best part that the dev burned all the team tokens and participated in the fair launch with everyone else. Automatic LP, every trade contributes toward automatically generating liquidity locked inside PancakeSwap LP. That's the great thing about this project. Now, RFI static rewards, what are they? Holders can earn the passive rewards through static reflection as they watch their balance of BAFE.io growth indefinitely. That is basically the static which they introduced the first time in the market. BAFE.io employs three simple functions: reflection plus LP acquisition burn in each trade. The transaction is taxed a 10% fee, which is split in two ways. 5% fee redistributed to all the existing holders. If you are an existing holder, then definitely that 5% will be redistributed among others and also with you, and 5% fee add to the liquidity pool and burn all the tokens in dev wallet prior to launch. Secondly, the second step which they are following, that is the best thing: fair launch, add liquidity on the PancakeSwap, liquidity locked on the DX locker for 5 years, liquidity generated with every trade and lot. If you have any type of questions, simply you can contact the team directly on their social media and the team is going to answer each and every question of yours. Here comes the roadmap. We have successfully onboarded and confirmed a BAFE trading pair with WBNB on the PancakeSwap, so you can easily buy the token. Now, how you can purchase this token? Here you can see the entire contract address. Simply you have to copy this contract address and then you are going over here. Now I'm going to add it over here and then I will get the option of the add. For example, if you are going to buy it with only 0.25 BNB, you will get number of BAFE tokens. And if you are going to hold those tokens, for example, maximum for 1 month, at least this 0.25 BNB will give you around, as per my own knowledge, at least minimum 5 to 6 BNB entirely easily. So it is such a great plan. Here you can see the entire white paper about the automatic farming BAFE.io. Deflation token, automated farming, RFI, 100% fair launch as I told you. So overall this token will be huge in near future, and also as per my own knowledge this token even will be huge than the SafeMoon. What you think? Do let me know in the comment section. And also if you like this project, you must have to buy it. Thanks a lot.